On Friday, Warren Buffett revealed Berkshire Hathaway reduced its stakes in Delta Airlines and Southwest Airlines. The Guru's Omaha, Nebraska-based company is one of the largest shareholders of the four major U.S. airlines, which include Delta and Southwest, along with American Airlines and United Airlines. Buffett hasn't always been a fan of this sector, however. Prior to establishing his airline holdings in 2016, the renowned investor referred to these stocks as death traps, adding that investors had poured their money into airlines for 100 years with terrible results. His previous wariness towards airlines was linked to a failed bet on U.S. Airways in 1989, where he nearly lost all of his investment before eventually making money on it. The Guru also lamented about the sector in his 2008 letter to shareholders, writing, "The worst sort of business is one that grows rapidly, requires significant capital to engender the growth, then earns little or no money. Think airlines. Here, a durable competitive advantage has proven elusive since the days of the Wright brothers. Indeed, if a far-sighted capitalist had been present at Kitty Hawk, he would have done his successors a huge favor by shooting Orville down." Following his slew of investments in late 2016, Buffett offered his new insights on airline companies in a 2017 CNBC interview. He said, "It's true that the airlines had a bad 20th century. They're like the Chicago Cubs, and they got that bad century out of the way, I hope. The hope is that they will keep orders in reasonable relationship to potential demand." Berkshire Hathaway Vice Chairman Charlie Munger also contributed his two cents on airlines in 2017. While both gurus used to believe the business was a joke, he said, "Now if you put all those stocks together, we own one minor airline," and compared it to railroads. He said, "We were right. It was a terrible business for about 80 years. Finally, they got down to 4 big railroads, and it's a better business." Something similar is happening in the airline business. It appears their previous outlook on the sector may prove to be correct. GuruFocus calculated that Berkshire has lost an estimated $5.3 billion on its airline holdings. According to GuruFocus RealTime Picks, a premium feature, Buffett curbed Berkshire's stake in Delta by 18.06% and trimmed the Southwest position by 4.31%. Filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission show the transactions were made on April 1st and 2nd. While Berkshire Hathaway did not provide specific reasons for the sales, they could be related to the decline seen in the sector as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. As passengers stay home in an effort to fight the spread of the COVID-19 virus, airlines have been forced to slash their schedules and ground planes. Delta and Southwest are two of the largest players in the transportation industry. As such, it will be interesting to see how well they recover from their recent declines.